Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the euro currency. In fact, probably the major event that all traders now expect is non-farm payrolls release that we will see a bit later. On the Great British Pound, I just forgot to say it about yesterday that Great British Pound has hit the target of the butterfly on the daily time frame chart that we have discussed and traded within the previous couple of weeks. On the euro currency, guys, now we see some bounce down from the yesterday's price levels around the gap pattern. Although we have discussed yesterday possible upward continuation, that's really still could happen. But right now, I suspect that we see the impact of the new tensions in the Ukraine. So because today the Ukrainian forces have started the military operation against the federalization rebels. And now the stock market in Russia shows the decrease of approximately 1%. So maybe current appreciation of the US dollar and growth on the gold market also indicates some impact of the geopolitics. So as you can see, geopolitical issues again invade into technicals, into fundamental and economic issues, so makes their impact and skew the normal behavior of the markets. That is really significant risk factor right now. The geopolitics now is coming on the first place, and it's really a significant factor right now. So let's see what will happen during the trading session. I also have taken a look across the board on different other majors, but I do not see something really special because Great British Pound stands right now at the target, so maybe some retracement will follow. So currently it's difficult to say something different. Well, on the euro currency, also the same. So we see that market has closed the gap, now showing the bounce down. So during the day probably we will see how strong this geopolitical impact will be on the market. And of course the major issue right now is the non-farm payrolls release that we will see in the evening and then opening session of the United States market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, I also do not see something special. So you see that market has closed the gap, now is showing some minor bounce right back down. Currently it's a bit difficult to make any forecasts for some extended period of time because, as I said, due to the geopolitical factors, really in fact this is unpredictable how strong this impact will be. Maybe market even could start move down. It's also possible right now there are some significant moments and significant events will happen around the Ukraine. But currently this retracement down looks acceptable. It's not the strategy yet, and we can't just right now speak about the possible bearish reversal. So currently we see that just moderate move down, although it potentially could carry significant risks. But as it seems like right now, it's at current moment this looks acceptable. So that's not really some strategy for this bullish action to the upside yesterday. Besides, as we have taken position right around this area, the major risks that we could carry is that possible flat result. So we probably could earn nothing, but as we have taken position around this 6 support 2 days ago, well, that's really not very significant risk for us right now. Our major concern mostly stands whether market will continue move higher. or not. So that being said, till the non-farm payrolls release, hardly we will see any significant and drastic action. Probably market will wait for the result, and the result will probably resolve this riddle in the market, what direction market will choose in the nearest future. If there will be some really significant action, we will discuss it in our weekly research.